Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Going Guitar and to Wish Wednesday. We love Wednesdays because I can do things for you that you really wish for. You add some wishes here on Going Guitar, I bring them up for you. And this time we have you, Anita Eljinsa, I believe that's your name. You wished for Qing Madi's American Love, alright? So if you love Madi, she was actually here with us just a couple of days ago recently. In a collab with Joe Boy, and this time American Love. She's standing alone and a great song, so thank you for interacting with me here, Anita, on Going Guitar. Let's take a look at this one with the capo set here on the 3rd fret, because we want the easiest chords possible. So with capo on 3rd, we have 4 different chords to handle, so let's go over them first. We're gonna start with A minor, so that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. We have G next, so that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. C coming up there, and that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. And the last chord is, of course, a bar chord. You play the bar here on the 1st fret, you bar all strings there, and then you need to add 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. If you think that is too hard to get, sometimes you can actually go with the shorter version of F. If you don't like bar chords, you can go like this, or even an F major 7. It could be, yeah, it could work sometimes. For this song, I wouldn't recommend the F major. Actually, it could work if it's really hard for you, but anyway, try to go for the shorter version. If you do that, then you need to place your fingers like this, a short little bar there on this 1st fret. You bar the B and the E string in the end there, and then you need to add 2nd on G and 3rd on D. And then you just play at the last strings down there, the last 4 strings. So that's an option for you if you think this is too hard, too much. Anyway, let's take a look at this song here. And we have a strumming pattern that covers 2 parts. So we need to look at these 2 parts. And 1 full round, I can illustrate that with the C, because that chord will be played for 1 full round. It goes like this. Okay. So we have 2 parts here, and the first part is down, down, up, clap, down. That's the hardest part and biggest part. It goes like this. So down, down, up, clap, down. Okay, so. That's part 1. Short pause then, and then part 2 will be just 2 downs, like that. And then immediately you go back and play the part 1 again. It starts right after part 2. So 1 round together will be. Like that. All right. So we have this chord progression that goes in the same way through the entire song. So that is great. Let's go from the beginning and start with A minor, part 1, the down, down, up, clap, down. And then you shift to G and play part 2, the down, down. And then you go to C and play 1 full round. So down, down, up, down, 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 down. So far we played half of this chord progression. Let's do this together a little bit slowly. That's halfway in. The next half will be A minor part 1, G part 2, starts in the same way, but then we have the split here on C part 1, the down, down, up, clap, down, and then F, you end with 2 downs, part 2, down, down. So the second half will be A minor part 1, G part 2, C part 1, F part 2, like this. Or with the easier version of F or shorter version, it will be All right, so that was the second half. If you put everything together, this chord progression will be like this. Notice there, I played more ups and downs on places here and there. It doesn't hurt, all right? This is just, yeah, like a suggestion for you to play the strumming like this. And I really stuck to this strumming pattern, but I added some extra downs and up. I had this as a skeleton, and I can build up on this rhythm, and that works perfectly well. So have that in mind when you look at hair strumming patterns. They're not only have to be like that, you can elaborate with them a little bit and do it in your way. Anyway, this is Madi's American Love. Hope you enjoyed it. Anita Alienza, thank you for interacting with me, and all you fans out there, thank you for watching here, and feel free to give me some new suggestions here for Wish Wednesdays. I love to read your comments. So yeah, hope to see you soon. Till next time, play tuned.